details, you know what I mean? See the table and everything on here? Give you that feel, kind of beach feel. I feel like you're here, you know what I mean? Brighten it up. I'd probably make it a little darker. I just work with your colors and contrast and post. But that one should be pretty clean. Or even stuff like this, like somebody sitting in a chair right here. Then come up high. You still see our advantage, like leave a little bit on this top side out. Put your focus down so you focus on the person. Yeah, that'll come out pretty hard. Same thing here. Come here. Take advantage of this curtain. Look at that. Look at that. Take advantage of the curtain. Down a little more, you get the pillow and the curtain. Darken it up so you can play with the colors in the back a little more. Yeah. I got these big boys out here. Look at that, yeah. I'm close too. What's up, my boy? What's up, my boy?